Hey y'all, how you doing today? Danna here, and I'm gonna say, let's make our life easier today and use one of these packaged salads. Have y'all ever used one of these? If you haven't, I'm gonna show you how easy they are to use. This is called the Broccoli Crunched Chopped Kit, and it's got everything you need in it. You don't even have to buy any extras to make the dressing. It's all right here. Let me tell you what's in it, and y'all tell me when this is over. Watch me make this and see if you would make it or not for your family. What's in it is broccoli, cauliflower, sunflower kernels, red cabbage, carrots, dried cranberries, and bacon. And it's got a sweet dressing in it. So we'll see how it is. Basically, it's just put it all in there and stir it up and you got the salad. So I'm using my antique bowl here. This is considered a daisy dot. And when I put it in here and mix it up, then I'll put it in the refrigerator and get it nice and chilled before we eat our pork chops for lunch today. The main thing you're going to need when you do this is a nice bowl. And I always use tongs and your scissors and your salad. That's it. Just cut this open like this, and this is how it comes, y'all. You're going to have a package. Ooh, baby, let me see if I can pull this out. Okay, you've got the package with all the extra things in it, the sunflower, the bacon, and the dressing, and then you've got the actual salad part, and it's got all kind of good stuff in it. We're going to be so healthy when we get through eating this, I can tell you. All right, so we've got this in it, and I'm going to show y'all how beautiful this is. Before I ever start adding anything to it, y'all look at here. Is that not gorgeous? And the first thing I'm going to add is my sunflower seeds that have the cranberries in them. Okay, so I'm just going to sprinkle that over it really well. This is so nice. If you're in a pinch and don't want to buy all the individual ingredients, this is the easy way to go. Fast and easy, y'all, fast and easy. Then we've got our salad dressing here that we're just going to pour over that and then mix together. Let me see what this tastes like. Ooh, it's sweet. It's tangy. Ooh, it's delicious. Then we're going to top it off with bacon. But before we do, take the tongs and just do a good mix. You want dressing mixed up on all parts of this. And this is going to go with my mother's pork chops when I serve it up. It's called Shirley's Saucy Pork Chops. So this is the side that we're having with it. And just think how healthy I'm going to be when I get through eating all these good vegetables. And then we're going to add our bacon to the top. Now, y'all, how fast is this? Fast and easy salad. Okay. Sprinkle that bacon on the top. Ooh, yes. I'm going to tell you something. This right here will cure what ails you. Now, I'm going to get me a fork, and we're going to taste of this. I want some bacon. I want some broccoli. I want some of that beautiful purple cabbage. Sunflower seeds. How big is this bite going to be? Look, y'all. Y'all. How fast was that? Now, if you want any of my other recipes, like Shirley's pork chops or any of those recipes, Happiness is Homemade, y'all, with my mother's pork chop recipe in it. And a lot of my family's good recipes in it. It's available on Amazon. I'll put the link for you. And if anybody's interested in any other thing they want to shop, just go to my page and look at it and see what you'd like to have in your kitchen. All right, I'm going to tell you what I always tell you. The good Lord loves you. And I love you too. And y'all go have a really good day. And you know what? It's okay to buy one of these packaged salads. They are delicious. Very good quality. All right. I'm going to go feed my husband some Shirley Saucy Pork Chops and some of this Broccoli Crunch Chopped Salad. Love and blessings to you. Bye-bye.